Today is Ashley's birthday, and then my husband and I, we were asking her, which light was your favorite, right? She said, rock and roll. That's why we are here, Hollywood studio again.
Buddy, buy us drinks.
What drink?
The coffee.
Now? Yeah. You drank already my coffee.
No, that's not enough.
That's nice.
That's early in the morning. No.
You want a coffee?
That's not she. Did you eat already? No.
No.
She needs to eat. Well, she needs to eat.
You want to eat and go? No, I'm there.
No, she's gonna throw up.
Sure. We don't want that drama.
And then all the white things is gonna be gone. Yeah.
Empty tummy better. They are going to ride a roller coaster. Is that Sunset Boulevard here? Oh, it is. Fantastic. Magic.
Ayan.
God bless you.
You need it with me? No. You picture.
We'll open the sun.
Oh, by the way, the rock and roll is in the rock stars.
It is, right?
Huh?
It
The
is.
rock and roll,
Oh, it is what?
Yeah.
the rock stars town. I
Yes.
don't know what's the name of
You gotta get the map because we're not here.
That's right, Mac. Come on in, Ruby Racers. I'm Sally.
You go. You are picky, not me.
Thank you, Mac. Excitement is in the air as Lightning McQueen is driving in.
You want to center? Where are you going?
All of you.
Now what you can see, come here.
Of course, because her
Oh, the chair is cool.
Nice one, Mac. Hey, let's test the rookies on their
Can you see
Lightning
the
McQueen.
screen?
Who is Lightning McQueen's official sponsor?
You like it? You like it?
Of course I do. I better than it twice.
후. 딱이세요? 깍깍깍.
I like that.
어디세요?
I guess we're going all the way over there. We're gonna eat in a regular restaurant. It's actually good.
Mom, can I try?
야. 맛있어요? Actually good. Pretty safe. 응. 얼마예요? 아? I have no idea. No, I took the video here already.
I can feel the air. Now are you happy?
It's good. But they just say so hard, not so cool. Go picture.
Hold. One moment, young one. Are you here looking for adventure? Or looking
Yes.
for trouble? Are you looking for adventure? Or trouble?
Adventure. I don't know.
Are you looking for adventure? Or trouble? Move on. You look like the adventurous type. Hope you find it, young one. We have eyes on you.
I go on the
Am I good? Felix, you're good. No, I'll come.
And Ashley. Thank you, sir.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds. Good. Airspeed sensor.
놀래기 그러지?
Take the picture.
Yeah.
Escape pods just follow us. Okay, you're clear. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, your resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, Staffer is talking.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking next pod of the wreckage, sir. It's
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this. Lieutenant, Beck! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
시작. 로블락스. 빨리 로블락스.
There's our train. There's our train.
no español.
42.
What is that 42?
That's our number.
Train number?
Yep, right there, 42. Almost like 72.
Hey.
Gotta pull this down now.
Let's go 72.
72.
Just laughing.
Bum, 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 bum.
I'm starting to dance.
Ready and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's come down.
Say, no, mommy voice beautiful.
Mommy's voice is ugly. Voice is ugly.
Ya sube, amor. ¿Ya viste?
Be quiet, Mother.
Pátese, pátese.
We can walk through, guys.
Do, do, do.
Oh, here.
Bye-bye. Hey.
Put that away.
Yep.
This way.
So this is same exit, right? Oh. Ah. Bye-bye.
Make sure that
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks.
High five, high five. It's a video. Last day at Hollywood Studios. 5 days. We finished everything, yaba.
Yes, we did.
But the water park, we didn't do 5 days.
Nope.
But still okay.
Yep.
I told you, yaba.
Not worried.
She said she doesn't want to go. I cannot push her.
Nope. It would have been better if the other water park was open.
This one, I don't get it, the water park. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Disney World. Hollywood Studio.
Now get sprayed. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.